Now that your test is completed and the device is off, we're going to show you how to disassemble it and put it back for return. Just remove a finger probe from your finger. Remove the wrist stocks. The nasal cannula just pops right out of the side. This piece is disposable, so you can just go ahead and throw this in your trash can. Unclip the belt on each side of the device. This chest belt is disposable, so again, you can just toss this in your trash can. Unclip the chest monitor and remove the abdominal belt connector. Chest monitor goes back in the case. For the abdominal belt connector, just remove the belts on each side. They snap right off. And again, this belt is disposable, so you can just throw this away. The abdominal connector needs to be returned, so just wrap it up and put it in your case.